Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Olympic medalist Ilona Maher going to Emmys as Access Hollywood's digital guest correspondent. Access, from the rugby pitch to the red carpet. Ilona Maher is ready for her close-up. The Olympic medalist is joining Access Hollywood at the 2024 Emmys as a digital guest correspondent and shared how she's preparing for the new gig. "I just want to talk to people. Do I get a microphone?" she teased with Access. Ilona's viral social media videos and history-making bronze medal win at the Paris Games have made her a global sensation, and she said she's looking forward to letting her winning personality shine in a whole new spotlight. "I just can't wait to just yap. I'm a yapper and I want to yap to all those people at the Emmys," she smiled. Fans loved seeing Ilona's medal journey with Team USA and have been keeping up with her candid TikToks. The 28-year-old won global attention with her inspiring body positivity messages and recently stunned in the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. Follow and tune in to Access Hollywood for Ilona's best moments on the red carpet.